giant crabs. Live giant crabs. No fucking joke. Live fucking crabs.
Dude, I'm gonna show this video to my dad, so can you like censorship?
Look at this guy. What are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Let's get to shit.
Ben, we gotta cook something like this one day.
Oh yeah,
I wish we had a kitchen, man. I would seriously so
go crazy.
look at the shrimp, man. Oh, this is so good.
Dude, like throw that in a pan with some like butter and like
Starfish, dude. Starfish too.
throw that in a pan with butter and like some spices. And just Cajun style.
Even the small ones, when they get you, they don't let go.
Get that
You know
Cajun.
they don't let go. Let me see. I'll show you.
But I'm not gonna. Don't show my book, man, or else I'm gonna get to get it. I'm gonna get it.
You want?
Look at
what
it.
if I
Look at it.
touch
It
one
wants
of
to
them?
come out.
Do it. Just read the